Well, I'm going to show you the chicken area. I moved my girls over there. Guess what? See a missing pallet of cinder blocks? I've been making garden beds. And, well, I was already using cinder blocks for the chicken shelters. So, the entrance to the chicken area is over here on the other side of the greenhouse. It's a little inconvenient because it's at the back of the greenhouse rather than the front, so I have to go around. But it's always a balance between security and convenience, and I didn't want random people off the street to be able to just walk into my chicken coop. So, the fencing material was donated to me from a friend of mine's husband's work project that was done. This is a ghetto chicken coop in progress, so it's not done yet. Probably not going to be done for a while. In the meantime, I have given my girls a cinder block shelter. Now, this cinder block shelter was in the greenhouse. I just spent yesterday moving the cinder blocks over and rebuilding it. I think I'm going to expand it because I don't have the run attached to it, and I think they could use a little bit more shelter. So let's see if I can get my little girls to come to me. Come on, ladies. Come on, girls. Oh, there they are. There they are. So that's Honor in front. I believe they're all Easter eggers. So I have no idea what breeds they are other than Easter eggers. I know that Easter eggers are kind of the mutts of chickens. But the one in front is Honor. The one hiding down in the middle is Helga. And Hedwig is the one with the white head and chest who's looking at us funny. So you can see they have plenty of space. These are going to be used for the roof of the chicken run. We're going to be making that a little taller. And more fence, extra chicken wire down below, built up with the dirt. There's chicken wire in there as well, so it should be pretty secure against dogs, which is what I'm really worried about. There was an interruption in recording while I waited for the train to go by. But here are the tenants, ladies. They're still quite a bit smaller. And because they're right here, my girls can see them but not touch them for a while. So in a few weeks when they get bigger, they are also going to come join my girls out here in the nice big chicken run. We found a tire over there on the track, so we're thinking of stringing that up for a chicken toy so they can play on it. Not that I think that the chickens will be too bored in this area, because there's a lot of space, a lot of greenery. So that is the MerriQuail chicken space.